What's happening, everybody? We're back in Murrells Inlet, South Carolina, and we're going to take you on a tour down the main road to show you why this place is so popular. Check it out. Today, we'll take you on a full tour down Business 17 into Murrells Inlet, South Carolina to the very end. We'll check out, pass by, and discuss some of the hot spots around this place where people from all around and year-round hang out and have fun. Right at the beginning of our tour, we'll pass our first place, the Suck Bangin' Blow. This is where many bikers hang, especially during the two major Harley weeks, and listen to live bands, have burnouts, and show off their bikes. But it's not just bikers that frequent these marshy lands. This place captures people from all walks of life, like those who want to purchase fresh fish, shrimp, and lobster from the Seven Seas Seafood Market. Here's another biker hangout, the Beaver Bar. They also have bike competitions and live bands during the Harley Bike Weeks. And they have an outstanding breakfast buffet. And just ahead is the Inlet Crab House and Raw Bar. This place is a local's favorite. If you're unfamiliar with this area of the Grand Strand, it is known as the seafood capital of South Carolina. You'll also find alternate choices like the Inlet Barbecue. And teetering on the edge of the marsh, you'll find the American Steak and Oyster Bar. As some of the restaurants we pass offer great burgers and wood-fired pizza, many others offer some of the finest steaks and best seafood that you'll ever put in your mouth. And up ahead, we'll pass several along the central hub that actually lines the Marsh Walk, which has beautiful views overlooking the marsh. There's Wahoo's Fish House, Drunken Jack's, Bubba's Love Shack, J. Peters, Creek Rats, the Dead Dog Saloon, the Claw House, Wicked Tuna, Mojo's Marina Bar and Grill, and the Tuna Shack, to name a few. All along these waters, you can kayak, jet ski, take an inlet cruise, or head out for a day-long chartered deep-sea fishing excursion. And it's local knowledge that Murrells Inlet was once the lair of the infamous pirate Blackbeard, who probably buried his treasure somewhere along these waters. Arrgh. Murrells Inlet is about 13 miles south of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and 21 miles north of Georgetown, South Carolina, but is considered an outdoorsman's dream. No matter your boating preference, there's an experience here for every taste. Many people think of Murrells Inlet as a place just to bring the family for a good meal when on vacation, but food isn't the only thing that Murrells Inlet has to offer. The popular Marsh Walk that lines many of these places comes alive after dark, with live music streaming year-round from several waterfront establishments that offer spectacular views. Continuing away from the walk, we'll pass many of the residential homes that sit along the marsh. Some of these unique dwellings are just as beautiful as the views of the inlet. And a great karaoke place is the Inlet Sports Bar and Grill, where not only is the food really good, but also some local singers that show off their voices. Another popular place is Lee's Inlet Kitchen, where you'll find more delicious fresh local seafood hot off the grill. Various restaurants are peppered up and down this stretch of Business 17. Many of the restaurants are clustered together, where you can park and walk along the Marsh Walk to visit multiple places. It's easy to see why many people find Murrells Inlet so appealing. To many, this is their go-to place when they come down on vacation. Also, along this stretch that parallels the marsh are several seafood markets and various shops and stores. And if country cooking is something you desire, then Judy Boone's Family Kitchen is one of the hottest places going. But you better get here early enough. I've seen the lines out to the cars. The variety of indoor and outdoor venues near the water is endless, and virtually year-round. Just a bit further is a smaller hub of restaurants that offer outstanding food and beautiful views. There's Nance's Creek Front, Inlet Provision Company, and the popular Hot Fish Club, all right on the marsh. These places also have live music with a relaxing atmosphere. As you can see, Murrells Inlet and the Marsh Walk certainly offer more than just great restaurants. This is the crossroads of relaxation and fun. So just remember, if you're looking for a great place to hang out, Murrells Inlet is where the fun, the view, and the music are always free. Near the end of Business 17 on the marsh, you'll find Graham's Landing Restaurant, where you can get seafood, burgers, and great pasta, all while enjoying the views of the inlet. As we come to the end of the road, where you'll find another giant Murrells Inlet sign, we'd like to say thank you for watching. And as always, keep beaching.